I'm Jarno Kettunen and I'm a visual artist. I'm from Finland originally, but I studied in Belgium and I stayed there for 10 years, and now I'm relocated to Atlanta, USA, with my wife, who is based here. I studied in Belgium illustration and graphic design, and I was very interested in my studies to focus on the free art atelier and drawing live models. And during my studies I started to think what I want to do with it, so I landed into fashion illustration. And I have had a great honor of making drawings live at the backstage of fashion shows in Paris, like Dior Homme, Jean-Paul Gaultier and AF Van der Worst. These drawings are a very spontaneous and expressive take on my mood, of the mood of the show and my interpretation of it. I try to work as almost like a photographer, taking these snapshots of the model, but also in an unrealistic manner, like more focused on the model and the essence of the look, what I see. And during my working, I noticed that the act of drawing becomes also very important. So I have been lately focusing on the performance of drawing. The performance is about drawing the model, and but also to see the interaction between me and the model. So the movement of my hand or my body when I see the model, and how that leaves a mark on the paper.